the rice and put the frozen vegetables with the shrimps and whatever is there. But I call it paella.
Like filming the dinghy. Have to climb up. Let's climb up.
What are shops? Adidas.
Yeah. This is the famous mile that goes to the. Oh no, this go in front of our hotel, so we can either go back. But behind the beach walk.
Watch out for the bike.
Yeah. It's kind of of course I'm the leader. Leader's the leader. I hear music. I think it's this hotel.
It's that hotel.
Actually, was it in your document that I read that the Troya hotel is the one to which this beach belongs? So it's almost like when this
extension of the hotel.
Yeah. Why is there a crowd here? That's so. Yeah, that's why. Ah, they're making hair. It's like.
What's she gonna do with those hair?
No, it's going to be. Well, yeah, it's a style. It's interesting.
Watch out for your face with these trees.
Yeah, you go left. If you go left. You can't really walk as.
Is it 30 degrees? 25 degrees?
Yeah, 25 degrees. It's bijna. None with the dog. Another steakhouse. Another pizzeria.
Ah yes, this is where we're gonna have this monkey thing on the left here.
Yeah.
Monkey beach or whatever it's called.
To be honest, it's far more interesting.
You have to come down here and turn left.
It's much cleaner than it looks in the videos. When I'm watching the videos, it looks like some, especially these. Well, I don't know. Maybe with my shades, everything looks tan. I'm more interested by the beachy side and the foodie side. I think there's an observatory here.
Oh, this is the monkey, whatever it's called.
Yeah, but there's a place to see where you can potentially sit down.
Because you walk 10 meters?
I know, I'm so exhausted. But I think it's because of the beer. It's not supposed to. I need to have a rule like in Portugal.
Even for me, this is low.
Yeah. Can you imagine if somebody has just pulled that on my